So, good morning. We have a double and triple angle of sine and cosine. Suppose I want to find out sine 2a. I'm going to use the formula of sine x plus y only. That is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y, which we were using it. So sine 2a can be written as sine a plus a. In this formula, if you substitute, so I get sine A cos A plus cos A sine A. I put x and y same. So you will get the answer, as these both are same. You will get the answer to sine A cos A. Now this is very simple. So we did it. Now when it comes to cos 2a, when it comes to cos 2a, I'm going to use the formula cos of x plus y. I hope you've gone through with that formula. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is the formula for cos x plus y. When it is cos a plus a, that is x is also a, y is also a. So I'll get cos a minus sin a. So altogether it will become cos square a minus sine square a. This is the formula for cos 2a. So my dears, when you got the cos 2a formula as cos square a minus sine square a, so we have a confusion. We studied that cos square a plus sine square a in class 10 as 1. But here we are learning cos square a minus sine square a is equal to cos 2a. Now listen carefully here. You know this cos square a can be written 1 minus sine square a, or a sine square a also can be written 1 minus cos square a. So if you write like that, there's cos square a as 1 minus sine square, already minus sine square is there. So this is also the formula of cos 2a. So 1 minus 2 sine square is also the formula. Suppose this is sine square, this is sine square. If you write as 1 minus cos square, then the formula changes as 2 cos square a minus 1. That is also cos 2a. We have three formulas for cos 2a. Okay, sine 2a, we derive only one formula. So based on the question, we will be using those formulas. Now, let us go to the next slide. Here, I would like to derive sine 3a. Now, triple angle sine 3a can be written, you have no idea, it is sine of a plus 2a. Now, sine of a plus 2a, again the same formula which we explained yesterday, explained in the previous slide. That is sine a cos 2a plus cos a sine 2a. I am using a simple formula. Now, in this cos 2a, we have got three formulas. You can see this. There are three formulas of cos 2a. I am going to use this formula as we are deriving sine 3a. So when I use that formula, so I get sine a multiply with 1 minus 2 sine square a plus cos a multiply with 2 sine a cos a, which you derived in the previous slide. Now, normal multiplication if you do, this will be sine a minus 2 sine cube a, sine into sine square, and plus 2 sine a cos into cos will be cos square a. Now, I want all the terms to be converted into sine as we are deriving sine 3a. So, I will be writing sine a minus 2 sine cube a plus 2 sine a multiplied with 1 minus sine square a. I converted cos square into sine square. So again the last time we will multiply and we will get a simplified answer. So here 2 sine a minus 2 sine cube a. So final answer, you will be getting 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. This is the formula for sine 3a. Now, I would like to make two halves, but it is no more than a half first one. Here I would take a cos 3a. Now cos 3a can be written as usual cos of a plus 2a. Now here we are going to apply the formula cos a cos 2a minus sine and sine a sine 2a. Now listen carefully here. This cos 2a formula, with the previous slide we have 3. We are going to use the term 1 because I am finding cos 3a. So the formula will be in terms of cos. So you will be getting cos a multiplied with 2 cos square a minus 1 minus sine a multiplied with 2 sine a cos a. I am writing little less font size. Next step we will increase. Now it will become 2 cos cube a if you multiply minus cos a minus 2 cosine a multiplied with sine square. So previous step it was 2 sine a multiplied minus 2 sine cube a. Here 2 sine a into cos square a. Here 2 cos a into sine square a. Simple difference. Simply if you divide 2-3 times you will definitely get this formula. 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a now multiplied with 1 minus cos square a. They are converting everything into cos. So 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a minus of minus plus 2 cos cube a. Finally, we are going to get 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So this is the formula for cos 3a. 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a will be formula for sine 3a. Very interesting formulas. Conversion of sine and cosine in terms of tan. That's a good question. See, when I have a sine 2a as 2 sine a cos a, which you have derived, I would like to convert this into tan. That means what I am going to do is 2 sine a is there, no? I am going to divide with cos and then multiply also with cos. So you will be getting 2 sine by cos into I multiplied, so cos square a. So it will be 2 tan a, cos coming down will be secant square a, and we have an identity 2 tan a identity secant square a is 1 plus tan square a. So this is the another formula for sine 2a. What about cos 2a? Cos 2a, a basic formula is cos square a minus sine square a. Here what I do, I take cos square a common, then I get 1 minus sine by cos, that is tan square a. As usual, 1 minus tan square a will be the numerator. Cos square reciprocal is secant square. So you got the next formula 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square a. This is cos 2a. Now, what about tan 2a, which you have derived before, but which is just a division of these two? The denominators were cancelled. I will get 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a.